everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am here today because I'm going to be doing another passion twist tutorial, but I'm going to be doing it on my own hair. Y'all see this? Who bald? Who bald? Not me. But yes, I'm gonna be doing a passion twist tutorial for you guys. I actually ordered this hair on Amazon, and it was sent to me, and I cannot wait to show you guys what the hair looks like. And this is honestly so much way cheaper option than going to get it at the store. I mean, obviously depending as well. So I got a, let me tell y'all, it's a 6-pack crochet passion twist braiding hair. It's 18 inches long, and I got it in the color 1B. And my total was $30.50, which is like really great for 6 packs of hair, because if you go to like the beauty supply or something, usually it's like $7.99, $8.99 a pack, which can really like add up and be way more than that when you purchase it in a store. And so yeah, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna show you guys the hair and how it came. Oh, I'm sorry y'all, I have issues, but this is the hair. Came in this lovely package. About to take it out for y'all. I have not taken it out yet since I purchased it. Like, I was like, no, I want them to see it when I get it. Oh, and it comes with a crochet needle. That's awesome. Nice little photo. This beautiful black woman right here. I probably can't see her because I ain't focusing. Oh, there she is. She looks good. She is beautiful. So yes, there's some pictures. What else is in here before I take out the hair? Oh, look, a little mirror. Oh shoot, this is like, oh, this is really cute. A nice little handheld mirror. It's cute. You could go somewhere with it, I guess. You know, need a little mirror for your bag. Any other free goodies that I'm not aware of in here? Oh, wait, there's more. Hold on. There is more. Okay, and 2 little clips, hair clips. I'm actually gonna need something like this for when I'm parting my hair. All right, and now for the hair itself. All right, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 lovely packs of hair. I know the hair looks kind of short on camera, but I'm gonna open it up for you to see, and then after that I'm gonna stop talking and just get to work. All right, so it has a net on it. Well, it had past tense, had a net. So this is the hair, which it looks very springy. Doesn't smell like super, like, you know, hair be having a smell. Like, I don't even know how to describe it, but hair be having a smell. This don't really have a really, like, big smell like that. I want the twist to be, like, medium size. So I feel like once the hair is, like, separated and stuff, like, I definitely think this is gonna be enough for the style that I'm doing today, right? So I'm gonna add the link in the description box as per usual. Well, I've been slacking. I'm trying. I'm gonna add the link in the description box for you guys so you know where to order the hair from. And now, before I start, I'm gonna finish my cereal. I'm a little hungry. What kind of cereal do I like? I like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But currently, I'm eating Reese's Puffs. Alright, y'all. Let's go to work.
All right, so as you can see, I'm about to just go ahead and part my hair. I blow dried my hair prior to doing this process because I thought it would make more sense if my hair was stretched out before I started doing the twists. And personally, I think that my parts are much neater when I blow dry my hair before. It's a little difficult to see the back from the angle that I'm in, so you see me using the little mirror that actually came in the package to try to see the part and see the back of my head. So I'm just gonna section off and put the hair that's not being used in a little ponytail. So I'm doing medium to large size parts. I don't want the passion twist to be too small, but I also don't want them to be too big. I added a little bit of edge booster to the roots, but not too much because I currently have no product in my hair actually, other than some oils that I had added in. And sometimes when I add too much edge control while I have no product in, it gets a little white. So I wanted to limit it and not put too much in each section so that that doesn't happen. Also, I didn't even mention before, if your hair is sensitive to rubber bands or you have experienced breakage, something that you can do is to cover each rubber band with some oil, whether it's castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, whatever you like to use in your ear. That will help the rubber band have some slip so that it doesn't break your hair out when it's time to remove it. And here I'm just going to show you it from the front angle just so you can see a little clearly how that goes. But same process, literally make the part, put the hair to the side, add some edge control. Like I'm slicking it back. Obviously, especially since this is the front, I want the edges to be sleek. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so y'all can see even better. All right. So I'm going to get my rubber band and I twist it over about 5 to 7 times. I find that less than that is too loose, more than that is too tight. So 5 to 7 times works pretty good for me and for the tension that I feel the most comfortable with. And this is the end result. So I twisted each section just to make the parts clearer. Honestly, I was really proud of myself because them parts came out nice and clean. All right, so here I'm showing you guys how to do the process of twisting, well, of putting in the passion twist. So I added the crochet, well, I put the needle through the rubber band at the bottom, and here I'm adding the crochet here onto the clamp. You're gonna pull that through, and once it's through, you make a loop and you pull through the passion twist hair as well as your own hair to the other side. You tighten it at the root, and here you see me stretching out the hair. I did not stretch it out and make the sections larger prior to adding the hair just because I find that it's a little easier and somewhat less painful as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this section down so that you guys can see. Oh, and I'm sure y'all noticed them fire lashes I had on in the beginning of this video are gone. Y'all, when I recorded this, it had to be at least 4 o'clock in the morning. I was tired. I was like, listen, they done seen me looking cute, but them things had to go. I even changed my shirt into my pajama shirt. Like, I was exhausted, but we still here anyways. So, we here anyways. And I'm just cutting off all the excess hair that comes at the bottom. Like sometimes there's like little flyaways or the hair gets tangled in itself, and at the bottom there will be like little frillies left, and you just use a scissor to cut it off. So here I am again showing you the process of doing the twist, tightening the hair at the base, loosening it up, or separating it just to make the twist um more full. And I take out my own twist so that when I twist the hair, it stays underneath the hair of the passion twist. And here I'm just going to show you guys the process one more time, just so that you guys can see. Personally, I'm more of a wig girl. So when I did this style, I was like, you know what, this is so different from me, but I was really excited about it. And I was so excited that this company reached out to me because they saw a previous video of me doing one of my clients' passion twists. So it's definitely great to go ahead and try this style on my own self. And I knew that I wanted to get my hair done this month because I was just tired of wearing it out. So this was really a great opportunity for me to show you guys something different. Isn't that awesome? I think it is. Yeah, I better think it's awesome too. I ain't playing. Yes, girl, twist that hair. Ooh, listen, honey. This is a look. Okay, I know y'all might be able to see those little white stuff that I was talking about right here at the top. I did put too much edge control. So after this video, literally right after, like I took some water and just passed it over my hair so that you could see. But these twists are bomb as hell. Like, I'm really in love with the style and the look. The parts came out perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.